So we're taking out the suitcase. Now I know that I'm going. So my mom got these LED lights today, but sadly they're not working. You feel that I'm going? Yay! Sure. And I can't fucking get rid of these assignments. Hazel, how do you feel I'm going? Oh, she's sad. I'm actually getting really happy that I'm going back and everything is gonna be different now. Today I was listening to some songs and all, and I could only imagine myself in London and like having the time of my life. Hopefully everything goes well.
क्या नाम है? तो वो एक हैंडबैग के लिए ले सकते हैं।
100 kg तो डाल सकते हैं। क्या क्या चीज़ें चाहिए? हाइको से
ऑयल, आटा, शुगर, पास्ता।
छोटे
अगर तुमको पसंद
वो नहीं पसंद।
मैगी लेनी है।
You will have soup.
सूप नहीं पीती है।
No, soup for me.
You coming to London with me?
No.
मेरे को phone cover भी change कर. So we're going to pack the bag. Assignments. Bye bye.
ये के अंदर एक है।
हाँ मैंने डाल दिया था. So we had a plan to pack. Oh shit, I have dust. Obviously, now we are gonna take out the things for the Rati. So guys, me and my sister, we are going to Galleria. We need to get some work done about changing our phone covers and screen guard and I'm testing this tripod stand as well. So I made a clutter. We had to go to some other building and I took the wrong turn. Okay. Because my phone is like cracked, like the screen guard. And this chick, her phone screen is only cracked. And then after that I have to teach her how to drive. Who's gonna drive the car then? Except mom. So there's a waiting to park the car.
I got 24.
So we canned on the driving plan. We are now at KFC waiting for her phone. So I'm coming inside a mall after ages. And we are going to Home Center. Our first purchase. So we couldn't figure out what this is. It's actually cute. So I have some plans to go for morning jogs. Wow. So I need clothes for that. Thanks. I'm having Taco Bell. That's my meal. ये मेरे को पहले पसंद नहीं थे. I think I've developed a taste. I'm obsessing over this, but my mom's not gonna let me take it. I love Miniso so much, but it's a lot of useless things, yeah. So we came back home a while back and now we're going again to a grocery shop near my house and getting everything done. Even though I'm very tired, but it's fine. So I'm sure you guys will hate me if I don't do a haul. So first I got this pan, hoodie, travel pillow, water bottle for myself, a bowl, plates, some socks, paste, got ketchup, this garlic magic, it is amazing, soap dispenser, got maida, rice, hand wash, the shampoo and the conditioner, another ketchup, this cushion, it's pink, we love that. I also got another cushion which is white and we love that. And I got this, it looks like a water bottle but it's actually you put oil in it and then there's like a little lid that comes up and then you do that. I know you guys understood what I mean. But there's a lot of food, so I'm not gonna show you the main food. The hot garlic, the new chopping board, chopper. I'll show you how it looks. So that's the chopper where I don't need to like cut. Oh wait, then why did I get the chopping board if I could use the chopper? So we just do this. Ooh. So that's about it to what I bought today. Hi everyone, so I woke up and I realized that oh wait, at 12:30 I need to go for my COVID test. I took the test. I didn't record myself, it was bad anyway. She's doing nada. She got me gift because I'm leaving.
It's due for the last, I don't know, 4 years or something.
Yeah, this is so sweet. She got me a
Okay, so I got you this.
another level stuff, bro. It's like happy birthday, Manit.
Even though it's not her birthday, it's November right now. It's not her
Yeah, but then when did you start making this?
4 years.
4 years ago, and I'm getting this now. But this is literally the best thing ever. Thank you, bro.
You're welcome.
Thank you guys for watching, and next up is gonna be a lot of other fun stuff where me going from India to London. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure to stay tuned for the next upcoming video. Bye bye.